HBO Max versus Apple TV Plus. Trying to pick between HBO Max and Apple TV Plus in 2025, here's a quick comparison to help you decide based on content, prices, and features. For original content, HBO Max features hit shows like The Last of Us, House of the Dragon, and Euphoria. Apple TV Plus delivers award-winning originals like Severance, Ted Lasso, and Masters of the Air. Apple TV Plus wins on quality and HBO Max wins on quantity. For price, HBO Max starts at $10 per month with ads or $16 without them. Apple TV Plus is $10 per month with no ads, so Apple TV Plus is cheaper and ad-free. HBO Max offers blockbuster movies, DC Universe content, and HBO originals with classic series. And Apple TV Plus has a smaller library focused on originals only, so HBO Max wins for variety. For streaming and features, both stream in 4K with Dolby Atmos on supported devices. Apple TV Plus offers better integration across Apple devices, so it's a tie unless you're deep in the Apple ecosystem. As a conclusion, choose HBO Max for variety and big-name shows, and go for Apple TV Plus for high-quality storytelling at a lower price. And thanks for watching.